हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द डे 2 ऑफ गोवा व्लॉग्स विद सलोनी का सफ़र। सो यहाँ पे हम लोग चेकआउट कर गए बुएना विला से। डे 2 का स्टे हमारा सिटी में होने वाला है बिकॉज हम लोगों ने अपना ट्रिप कुछ इस तरीके से प्लान किया था कि हम 2 दिन नॉर्थ में रुकेंगे एंड जिसमें से एक दिन हमारा बीच व्यू होगा और दूसरा दिन हमारा सिटी में होगा। बट स्टिल दिस ब्रेथ टेकिंग स्टे इज़ नियर टू अंजना एंड वागटर। इट्स इन द मिड सेंटर ऑफ अंजना एंड वागटर. But look at this stay. This stay is so pretty, so beautiful that we couldn't help ourselves in booking this stay in mid. I will provide all the details related to this stay in the description box. But first, let me show you the property.
दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। चमकाते हैं, चिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते।
Up next, I know you have been badly waiting for the room tour, so here it goes.
चमकाते हैं, चिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते। ये खुशी रहे, रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते। जहाँ रुके हम, जहाँ भी जाएं, जो हम चाहें वो हम पाए। मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है
I hope you liked the room tour and how's the property. Let me know in the comments. We were really hungry, so we headed towards Anand Seafoods, but however, it was closed, so we were unlucky. And then we found out something really amazing. So this is Makazai. So whenever you are staying anywhere that is near to Vagatar or Anjuna Beach, do visit this place. It's worth dying. Right from the day one, we always wanted to try a perfect, authentic Goa cuisine. So we found out in Makazai. They have food of every cuisine, but we tried Goan kingfish curry and plain rice, which was sufficient for 2 people. So after having our delicious food, we headed towards Chapora Fort. So this fort is again near to Vagatar and Anjuna. This fort is situated basically in between Anjana and Vagatar Beach. So when you actually stand on this fort from the cliff, you can have the 360 view of both the beaches and the view is amazing. Let me show you how it looks.
दिल चाहता है दिल चाहता है।
So here comes the view from the beach. To have this view, you have to trek a bit down and then you can enjoy.
कैसा अजब ये सफर है, सोचो तो हर एक ही बेखबर है। उसको जाना किधर है, जो वक्त आए जाने क्या दिखाए।
After the long day of trekking and traveling, we are finally back at our resort where we are enjoying some pool sessions. The water was moderate, and in between, we encountered rainfall, so that was another thing. After our favorite sessions, we had our time set to get fresh and then head towards Vagatar and Anjuna beach. So Anjuna was just like 2 kilometers away from our stay. So now we are heading towards Anjuna. This is another cleanest beach in North Goa. So we headed and we had to shoot our content and reels. Till then, you enjoy the beach view.
दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन
After the perfect view of Anjuna, why to leave Vagatar? So this is the view of Vagatar beach.
ओ प्यारी बातें झूमे शामें गाए रातें मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशी
After this beautiful day, we ended again in Anand Spices to check. So hopefully it was open. So we had enjoyed our favorite meal there. That comes to an end to our beautiful day too, guys. Now we are all set and getting filled to head towards mid of North and South Goa. Let me know in the comments how was my day 2 vlog and stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, like, share and subscribe, guys. Bye.